This last song is called Cadillac. It's inspired by my dad. He made it down today for the show, so this one's for him. My old man works hard all week, sun on his back and the mud on his feet. He can't wait to back that Cadillac onto the street, yelling, "Give it to me." My little brother goes out on the town. He'll find a girl and they'll dance to the sound. He'll walk to the bar and lay his all her money down, yelling, "Give it to me." Oh, give me that rock and roll, wanna feel it in my soul. That black Cadillac, the top laid back, give me that open road. I can let these tires smoke. Somebody give it to me. Oh, give it to me. There is one thing that does it for me. Little rock and roll on the road with a pretty little thing. And when the boss comes on, she turns it way up and sings. Somebody give it to me. Oh, give it to me. Give me that rock and roll, wanna feel it in my soul. That black Cadillac, lay the top way back. Give me that jack and coke, something so smooth as smoke. Somebody give it to me.
It's been nice sharing the stage with you tonight, Branden. It's been fun. Thank you, Debbie, for having me. So this last song I'm going to do